Introducing Chef Sabine. Today, she'll be making her turkey for Thanksgiving, but this year she'll be frying it instead of stuffing it, and she started the process today. So, coming up next is a time lapse of how she will make this year's Thanksgiving turkey. Okay, so this is a picture of the turkey that Chef Sabine will be cooking. This is how it looks like. It kind of looks like an elephant's head. You know, the other day I saw a turkey crossing the street on the bus. So I'm guessing this is the turkey that they shot. Alright, so my mom is cutting drumsticks now. In order to cut it smoothly, you need to find a mark in order to cut it, in which this my mom did. And now the turkey drumstick will be cut smoothly. Look at this turkey drumstick. Gobble, 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 gobble. Yeah, I know I can't do it anymore because my voice is getting deeper. Ugh, I'm becoming squeaky voice. Welcome to the turkey day. This part, in Haiti, we like to call it the coupillon. We call it the coupillon because there's something really tasty in it. Can't wait to gobble down the whole thing. You know, in Haiti, there's this special way to cut a turkey. And there are also special meats to remove from the turkey. But if you don't remove it, ou pas qu'on fait manger. Apparently, my mom just cut the white meat. In Haiti, we like to call it kodinn. She learned to cut in Haiti when she was little. It was everybody's hell's kitchen. An uncle's hell, an aunt's hell, everyone's hell. Just, ugh. That's when my mom learned to become a chef. And plus, she makes awesome lasagna. That lasagna is to die for. My mom is cutting the wishbones. Oh, look, there's 2 wishbones. I wonder what I'm going to wish for. This is the aftermath of cutting a turkey. So now we're going to season it and scrub it with lime, salt, and vinegar. Alright, now for the scrubbing part. That's how we scrub a turkey. Fubi, 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 no. Fubi.
Again.
Fubi, 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 fubi. Keep on fubi. Keep on fubi. Fubi, fubi, fubi. Woo. Fubi, 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 fubi.
One by one.
One by one.
Alright.
And now, my mom's gonna put an incision in the middle of the turkey to get the spice inside. That's where she's gonna put the spice.
Fubi too.
Fubi, 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 fubi this area. So that way the spices can fit in perfectly.
Alright, bye.
Oh, gobble, 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 gobble. Alright, thanks for filming us today. We'll see you in 2 days.
Gobble, gobble.
Alright, so this is the turkey. You can make a braised turkey, a stuffed turkey, or a fried turkey, but Mom decided to fry it this year. Sorry we were 2 days late, so now it's Thursday instead of Tuesday. And right here is another part of the turkey, which we're going to put back together as the centerpiece. Okay, so this is the final result of the chicken, along with some wine. We're going to have our Thanksgiving dinner in 2 hours. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. I forgot to say turkey instead of chicken. We'll see you soon.